one of the main advantages to forge bonding is metallurgical. The a typical arc weld, just about every arc weld in the industry is infusing some sort of future anomaly. It's a necessary evil. It's when they lay that bead in the field, especially in the field, they are inviting future anomalies that, and like I mentioned earlier, this is where my defense comes in on our bolted in lap patches. When we attach these anchor means or studs to these infrastructures, we don't create that future anomaly. It's actually a metallurgical enhancement where that stud joins that substrate. The bond resists corrosion because of the nature of the characteristics of forging versus arc welding. So when you combine the forge bonding technique with the polymers, with the gaskets, with the stainless steel repair plates, and our stainless steel washers, and our stainless steel tamper-resistant nuts, you've created a system that has brought mechanical integrity that's in excess of its original design, and while simultaneously resisting the anomalies that typically come with a repair with these welded in lap patches. So it's I mentioned earlier, it's my ambition, my passion to show and to demonstrate to the industry that these bolted in flanged repairs are superior to a welded in lap patch.